Hi, my name's Nick Radcliffe.
And my name's Natalie Manser. And my name's Bronte Hofer.
And today we're going to be talking about the lacrosse face-off.
Lacrosse has been around since the 12th century, where Native Americans traditionally played the sport to heal the sick, resolve conflicts, and to develop strong, agile men. Although they may have been unaware, lacrosse has a lot of physics within it.
The lacrosse face-off is after every goal and at the beginning of every quarter. This means that the face-off is quite essential to the fate of the game. We will be discussing two major concepts involved in the face-off, torque and force. Torque is the tendency of a force to rotate an object about an axis, fulcrum, or pivot point.
In order to calculate torque, you must multiply the force applied to the stick by the lever arm. The lever arm is defined as the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation, or fulcrum or pivot point, to the line of action of the force. On our lacrosse stick, the axis of rotation is all the way throughout the center of the stick.
Our lever arm is the radius of the widest part of the head of the stick. For this action as our lever, scooping up or releasing the ball. Our force is the amount of force our player applies to the stick, rotating it. The person who can apply the most torque will, essentially, win the face-off.
This also means that the person who can apply the most force should win the face-off because applying more force around a pivot will make it rotate faster.
Force is measured by multiplying the mass of the head, which is 0.17761 kilograms, and the acceleration of the stick downward, which is 3.67 meters per second squared. The stick travels down with a force of 0.652 newtons.
And since torque is measured by multiplying force applied, 0.652 newtons, by the measure of the lever arm, 0.0865 meters, the lacrosse player creates a 0.0564 newton meters of torque.